For Holmes Electric, getting things done right is their #1 priority.
Into the box.
That's why Mike Holmes, along with the rest of Holmes Electric, has implemented Wired Right as their standard for excellence on every job.
There's no excuse for poor quality. The work needs to be installed at a high level.
With that in mind, Holmes Electric has implemented a number of productivity tools to help them maintain both a high volume and high level of performance in the field.
There's an awful lot of data to collect on a large project, and just the advent of the computers and now the advancement of the software within the computer to monitor construction work has been beneficial.
2 productivity tools in particular, JPAC and SIS, are setting Holmes apart from their competition. JPAC, which stands for Job Productivity Assurance and Control, is a program that establishes the baseline of job productivity, with full consideration given to the original estimate and the way the project team defines the work breakdown structure. When reported and reviewed at regular intervals, JPAC forecasts productivity and identifies the trends that will negatively affect the project goals. SIS, which stands for Short Interval Scheduling, is a program that validates JPAC productivity by identifying the root cause of interruptions to workflow and production. Heather Moore of MCA Incorporated helps Holmes utilize these tools to their maximum potential.
If I could say one service that what we offer is trying to educate people on problem solving.
And with that, JPAC has become an essential part in identifying and solving problems on Holmes Electric job sites.
It's looking for special causes. It's looking for major differences in how the job is operating from one week to the next, maybe over a period of 5 or 6 weeks. SIS is looking at those ups and downs, those constant ups and downs across all of the jobs maybe, and what are the things maybe as an organization or on a specific job that we can over time kind of dampen that effect. So JPAC is more looking at the sort of a broader picture. It's looking at productivity and special causes, where SIS is looking at the day-to-day common causes.
JPAC is able to keep everyone on a job site accountable to the project schedule, something Holmes is very committed to.
It's accountability, visibility, and also project the labor units forward, as opposed to looking at a project through rearview mirror, or just looking at the data that's been accounted for of work that's already happened.
Traditionally, project defects are discovered at the end of the job, when the solution is very expensive and has the highest impact to the overall project. With the help of JPAC, Holmes has early visibility to potential problems, and as a result, they are better equipped to react and respond with the least amount of consequence to schedule, to cost, and to other trades.
Everybody is bidding a similar bill of material. Everybody taps the same labor pool for manpower, and so we're looking to set ourselves apart by keeping up with emerging productivity tools such as JPAC and SIS.
On job sites like the Bravern project in Bellevue, Washington, making sure things stay on schedule is crucial. And thanks to these kinds of tools exclusively available to Holmes Electric, they're able to ensure maximum production on site and at the point of installation.
The general contractors that have grasped this technology really have begun to use this as a resource to keep track of our scope of work, which is one of the larger scopes of work in any construction project. And along with the mechanical contractor, we generally represent 2/3 of the scope.
With SIS, Holmes' foremen and project managers plan their work with 3-day look-aheads. Doing so encourages teamwork, promotes increased overall productivity, and improves accuracy when planning and executing short-term tasks.
Ultimately, that continuous improvement process, by taking the results of the projects and rolling what we've learned back into our estimating process, we end up procuring more work because our price is better, and it's a continuous improvement process, a continuous circle of improvement on into the future.
And looking into the future with JPAC and SIS is something that's helping everyone on board get the job done right.
We have the data to support the fact that we can be more productive, more efficient, more effective when we're on the job, and truly deliver what we promise at bid time.
Holmes Electric takes great pride in their ability to provide lean and agile project delivery and effectively employ sustainable industry practices. One of the reasons for their success is a commitment to prefabrication whenever and wherever possible. Assembling components in a production-like setting and then efficiently transporting a completed sub-assembly to the point of installation is one method Holmes Electric uses to increase productivity and decrease installation time.
It's predictable. You get something out and you install it, you install the first few of them and you know what the rest of them are going to be like. And so for the installer, it minimizes the amount of tooling that he's got to have, and it reduces the amount of guesswork and how much he has to design at each application, each installation.
Production shop manager John Armitage and his team work hard to make sure everything produced in-house fits perfectly on site and meets the needs of the installation crew. On a job site, time is money. With their prefab, Holmes Electric is able to save both.
And it's not so much what we're building in the prefab shop, it's also the packaging, and it's presenting the proper material to the electricians at the proper time in the proper form so that it can be quickly installed. The point of installation time for us is critical.
With the overall construction time reduced on projects, buildings can be completed sooner, which makes for a happier client. Clients consider time as money, so the less time spent, the more money gained.
The one thing that we can offer is consistency. You know from job to job the kind of job that you're going to get.
With Holmes Electric's prefab department, consistency is more easily maintained and quality control is virtually guaranteed when compared to a traditional installation that does not use prefab.
We take ownership in the job that we do. It's personal to us. We look at it as a matter of pride. We can look back and say, that building there, we did that. You know, there's a measure of pride on each job, and so I think the measure of heart in this company is one of the best that I've ever worked for, as far as looking at the customer relationship and the product that they turn out as being vital to their history and to what lies ahead.
And hearing that is why the Holmes Electric team is setting the bar in the electrical industry for excellence.
A lot of our primary customer base is certainly familiar with the quality work that Holmes Electric produces. So our attempts are really to point out that we are at the forefront of our industry, that this new technology that is available is in fact going to help us be more effective, more productive, and in turn is going to help that customer on his jobs perform better for his client.